The IPCC's reports that have been endorsed by more than 150 countries offer a range of options for moving forward together. Solutions exist, but there's no time to waste. First, we must stabilize global greenhouse gas emissions. Then, according to the world scientists, we could limit the rise in global temperature to 2 degrees Celsius and prevent the most severe impacts of climate change. If the world reduces its emissions by approximately 2/3 by the year 2050. This must be a global effort, and with real leadership, it can be done. All of us must change our consumption patterns. Improved conservation and energy efficiency could help enormously without requiring major expenditures. But it's largely up to governments to ensure that the right choices are available and attractive. The IPCC also suggests we change the way we think about energy. The cost of fossil fuels should reflect their long-term impacts on climate change. A price on carbon emissions would encourage the development of alternative energy sources, and that would help developing countries choose a more environmentally sustainable course. We must act together, and we must act now. By acting together, the world's leaders can ensure that we will too, and that the planet we leave behind for our children will be a place where they can thrive.